With the Lyndar Premium Paint System, achieving professional results at home is easy. In this video, we'll show you how to repair a dent in a front guard. Firstly, find your paint code, often located in the door jamb or under the bonnet, and get your Lyndar Basecoat mixed. For this repair, we are going to use Lyndar Bodyfiller, Etch Primer, Primer Filler, Lyndar Colour Match Basecoat, a sanding block, mixing board, and Lyndar Clear Coat. Clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover to remove dirt, oil, grease, silicone, wax and polish residue. Next, sand the damaged and surrounding area using 180 grit sandpaper with a Lyndar sanding block. This helps keep even pressure on the sandpaper and panel, minimizing high and low areas. You can remove the sanding block and use finger pressure to get deep into the damaged area. This will help with adhesion of the body filler. Follow up with 320 grit sandpaper to feather the edges and smooth the surface, ready for body filler and primer. Clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover. Prepare the body filler. Knead the hardener to ensure that it is thoroughly mixed. Mix on something flat and non-absorbent. We're using Lyndar disposable mixing sheets. Mixing ratio is 50:1 of body filler to hardener. Mix thoroughly by scooping and spreading on the mixing board. When thoroughly mixed at the correct ratio, the body filler colour will match the included applicator. On initial application, use reasonably firm pressure to eliminate any air bubbles and improve bonding. Do not apply thicker than 3 mm at a time. Use the applicator to get the surface as smooth as possible to reduce sanding time. Allow 20 minutes for it to fully cure. Do not try sanding before it is cured. Sand with 120 grit sandpaper and Lyndar sanding block to get the right contour. Follow up with 240 grit and 320 grit sandpaper in preparation for Lyndar Etch Primer. Clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover. Use the reverse masking technique to mask out the repair site. Reverse masking eliminates hard edges. Shake the Lyndar Etch Primer for 5 minutes until it has small dents in the bottom of the can. Apply 1 to 2 light coats of Lyndar Etch Primer, allowing 5 minutes between coats. Shake the Lyndar Primer Filler until thoroughly mixed and apply 2 to 3 light coats, allowing 5 minutes between coats. Spray a guide coat in a contrasting colour. This helps identify high or low areas when sanding. Allow the primer coats to dry for 4 hours or overnight before sanding. Sand the primer with 400 to 500 grit dry sandpaper on the Lyndar sanding block, or you may use 600 to 800 grit wet sandpaper. Clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover and then use Meguiar's Ultimate Compound on the panels surrounding the repair area. This will help the base coat to bond to the surface. Clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover to remove any residue. Mask out the surrounding panels ready for the application of the Lyndar base coat, and then clean the area with Lyndar Wax and Grease Remover again using clean cloths. Apply 2 to 3 coats of Lyndar base coat, allowing 5 minutes between coats. With each coat, extend the area, blending the colour into the existing finish. Apply 2 to 3 coats of Lyndar Clear Coat. This will ensure a match to the original gloss finish. Allow 5 minutes between coats. Leave to cure for 4 hours or overnight. If needed, once dry, the finish can be sanded back with 1500 grit wet and dry and polished using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound by hand or machine to achieve a high gloss. Do not apply wax or sealant for 60 days after refinishing.